Hi, I'm James Virtue, Design Engineer here at Daikin Australia. If you're looking for a reliable, high-efficiency hot water solution that is easy to install and simple to maintain, our new Daikin hot water heat pump is built to make your job easier and give your customers lasting performance. We've designed this system with installers in mind. The outdoor unit features a built-in master controller accessible directly from the heat pump unit. It means faster commissioning with even less hassle. There's also an optional IP65 rated Wi-Fi enclosure to protect the air-based Wi-Fi adapter when installing outdoors, keeping it clean and weatherproof in all conditions. At its core is our patented swing compressor paired with CO₂ natural refrigerant. It's non-flammable, non-toxic, and has a GWP of just 1. So you're offering your customers one of the most sustainable and forward-thinking systems in the market. Plus, it supports a 5-metre height difference and up to 15 metres in length between the outdoor unit and the tank, giving you more flexibility on site. It's also designed to be homeowner friendly with preset and custom modes, vacation and boost functions, and a child lock, all easily managed through the controller or the Airbase app. Operating at just 38 decibels, it's whisper quiet and built for residential settings where noise matters. When it comes to servicing, key components like the water pump are placed for fast access because we know time on site matters. And if you want to make installation even quicker, the optional Quickie Kit comes with pre-insulated valves and fittings to help save even more time. Whether you're installing, recommending, or servicing, the Daikin hot water heat pump gives you a system you can stand behind. It's built for performance, flexibility, and long-term reliability. Talk to your local Daikin rep for training, support, and everything you need to deliver a smarter hot water solution for your customers.